Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's in this video I will be showing you how to crochet these earrings, and these earrings look so beautiful, just contain a 3 rounds pattern and it's very easy pattern. Now let's get started. Second part of my video tutorial, तो इसमें आपको जानना है आप कैसे वाला yarn यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ये कॉटन yarn है, आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं और उसके बाद में आप 5 मिलीमीटर हुक यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दिस इज जस्ट अ 3 राउंड पैटर्न and made with some basic stitches, and I really hope you like it. I have made is this in different color, you can see, and it is different size even though it has been made with this exact same color. I have just used different hook size, like many both मेरे पास different kind of hook size है तो मैंने यूज़ कर लिया, और आप लोग भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपने साइज का. So that's why it's look different. It's look bigger than this one and it's smaller. Now let's get into the tutorial. So we will start this with slip knot. First of all we are going to make slip knot. उसके बाद हम लोग बनाएंगे 8 chains. So now you can see we are going to make slip knot. We just make it slip knot and then put the hook, and then we are going to make 8 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So मैंने 8 chains बनाया. Now we are going to put this last chains into the first chain and make a single crochet and make a single crochets. And now we are going to make 16 single crochets into the circle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 13 14 and last is 16. So we just make 16 chains into the circle, and now in this part we are going to make a single crochets like this. So now this is a second part. We are going to make chain 4 1 2 3 and 4. We just make 4 chains. Now we are going to make a double crochet into the next chain like this. This is a double crochet, and we are going to make a single crochet, chain 1. Again we are going to make a double crochets and chain 1. So we are going to make all over double crochets and finish this round. Just make a double crochet like this. So it's look like this. This is round 2. Just make a double crochet until you reach the end of the row. So now I'm in the last round of second round. I'm in the last stitches. So you can see here 1 2 and 3. In the 3 stitches we are going to attach this last yarn, make a slip knot, I just make slip knot and chain 1 and make a single crochet in this space here, in this space. Now we are going to make 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4, and we are going to make a single crochet in the next space like this. Again make a chain 4 2 3 4, and again single crochets into the space. It looks like this. Chain 4. So we will continue this pattern until the end of the row. 1 2 3 and 4, and single crochets into the next space. Again we are going to make chain 4 and single crochet into the space. 1 2 3 4. So we are doing this until the end of the row. One, 2 3 and 4. Part of the third row, and this is the last round. So you can see in the last part we are going to make again a single crochet into the space and make a 4 chains. 1 2 3 4, and now into the last chain we are going to make a slip knot into the first stitches here in this part. Here we are going to make a slip knot and so now I'm going to cut the yarn here and tie it, and then we have to hide this yarn like this. And again, so now we are going to cut this yarn. So now it's look perfect. And at last part we are going to attach this here like this. You can attach this holder into any of this round, any of this circle. At last I attached this earrings holder by myself, and you can put it by yourself. And yeah, so yeah, that's it for today. This video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoy making this very simple earrings. If you are making one, please do tag me in your pictures. I will love to see what you have made. This is for today tutorial. See you next time. See you in another video. Until then, bye. Thank you for watching my tutorial video.